Bird die cuts are great accents for cards, and here we have two very different ones. We have the silhouette birds from Sizzix. There are 9 different dies in the set, and they just create a silhouette. Or we have the feathered friends die set from Sizzix. There are 6 different dies in the set to create 2 different birds. There are 3 layers for each of the birds here. I'm cutting them here all the same color cardstock, but you can do different ones. You could do one of the layers printed, or you could do different colors, or you could ink them. There's really a lot of different options with this die set, but I like the fact that you can create 2 different birds, and because of those different layers, you get a lot of dimension to it, and it gives you many opportunities. To fit them together after they've die cut, they're really easy to layer on top of each other. It's kind of intuitive, and you can see exactly where things go. The wing itself, you can put exactly where you want it, whether you want it flipped up, flipped down, you can control that. I love using these for cards with different prints or inky backgrounds that I've created. And I love the fact that the 2 different birds in the set are very different. The silhouette birds, again, you can use it with different prints, or you can ink them. You can have a lot of variety with them as well, but both create very different looks.